Are you looking for a great weekender to get away and go any place with? Then come with me for a quick walkthrough tour on Hawley's Haven. She's a 2001 Bayliner 2855 with a wide body, almost 10 feet of beam. She comes with a trailer, windlass, full enclosure, cockpit cover, and a lot of room down below. One of the best features in the cabin is there's a private mid-cabin. There's a V-berth and booth style dinette. Great for families, and with the trailer, you can take her anywheres. So come with me for a quick walkthrough tour on this 2001 Bayliner here at South Mountain Yachts. Here we are starting off forward starboard on Hawley's Haven. This gives us a nice view of the starboard side. As we come around to the bow, we see we have our forward facing horn, plow anchor, and windlass right there. Checking out the foredeck, we see we've got the aggressive non-skid decking throughout, and a great feature on that is what I call an LLI. Ladies like it. It's a great place to lounge out on, enjoy the day, enjoy the beverages. Coming down along the side, we see these oversized large slash windows to allow a lot of light into the cabin below. We've got that curved Taylor windshield for that sleek sporty look. Our oversized bimini on the stainless steel frame. Now there is a full enclosure for this vessel, which I currently have off. There we go, the 2855 badge. And our shore power connections right there. Here at the transom, we see a molded in swim platform. Great place, maybe put a chair out there or put an in-deck table mount and add a barbecue. Stepping aboard, we enter the vessel through the starboard door. And immediately in front of us, we see we've got multiple seating configurations. I currently have the transom bench seat folded up to give you an idea on how much room there is. To port, we have this fore and aft facing seat. So you can enjoy the scenery in either direction. There's an in-deck table mount here for a cocktail table, and then down below we've got storage. Up one step, we've got our Helm with a thigh-rise bolster seat right there. Stainless steel ship's wheel with an autopilot. And then up above, we've got our compass, all of our engine operational gauges. Our mid-level has our electronics, JRC radar, Raymarine, and Garmin add-ons right there. Down below, we have all of our switches for lights, bilge pumps, etc., etc. Now as we circle around, this gives us a view of our port side chaise seating there. And then this gives us an overview of the cockpit. Engine access is right through that hatch. Access to the bow is nice and easy. We've got these molded in steps. Close the hatch and then out through the centerline windshield. From here, let's go below. We enter the cabin through this centerline bifold door and down a few steps. This gives us an overview of the interior. And immediately on our left, or to port for the purists, we see we have a galley with shelf storage above, microwave, dual burner alcohol electric stove, and our basin right here with our Fusion stereo right there. Down below, more cabinet storage, and then we have drawer storage right there. As we move forward, we see we've got an oversized TV, our V-berth with storage up underneath, a little jump seat right there. And then, of course, there's a privacy curtain. There's about 6 feet 3 inches of headroom where I'm at. And then as we pull back, we have our booth-style dinette with storage below. Bayliner has made use of all the space. We tuck our refrigerator right there. Moving aft, very important feature. We've got a fully lined fiberglass head. It is a wet head. We've got a manual toilet there, some GFI outlets, and a shower wand from the faucet. As we move aft, note we've got storage and up under these steps. And then one of the best features on this boat that made it so popular, we have a private mid cabin, a nice changing area here, and then our shore power panel, little locker, and a full beam double bed right there. Great little place. Lay there, fall asleep to the sound of the water lapping up against the hull. Hawley's Haven is well equipped. We have a 1700 watt inverter and 6 batteries aboard her, so there's enough power for the weekend. She comes with a triple axle trailer, full enclosure, just a great weekender to get away on. Viewer today, owner tomorrow at South Mountain Yachts.